We continue with stories making headlines today. Residents of Kikumini in Kibwezi, Makueni County, especially expectant mothers, are set to benefit from improved maternal health care following the launch of a new maternity wing at the Kikumini Health Center by the county and national governments. The new facility is expected to increase the center's delivery capacity from an average of 6 to 25 births per month. Makueni Deputy Governor Lucy Mulili says the investment is aimed at bringing quality maternal health care closer to the community, with referred patients continuing to receive free ambulance services. Dr. Edward Serem, an official in the Ministry of Health's Maternal and Child Health Unit, said the upgraded maternity infrastructure will help reduce maternal and newborn deaths.
That we want to improve the health care of women and newborns. Kwa sababu, there have been mothers who have been dying during pregnancy, during delivery, and after delivery. Na other watoto ambayo wanasaliwa hivyo.
The commissioning of this maternity block at Kikumini Health Center is fully aligned with our long-term strategy of upgrading maternal and newborn health care across the county.